Why hello there! Welcome back to another Play With Me video this week. In this video we will be setting up for the month of July. My voice cracked, I'm sorry. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, tell your friends that I post a new Play With Me monthly setup for every single month of the year. And to check out my Instagram at planlikethat, the same way it's spelled here, if they'd like to see close-ups of this monthly spread and spreads for the weeks as well, because I now post my weekly setups only on Instagram, just to save me some time, some effort. You know, I don't know what it is, but making spreads on camera just takes so much longer than making spreads on my own. And I started bullet journaling, without filming, and it was super fun. I seem to have lost that throughout the years of starting my YouTube channel. So I found a medium, and I quite like it here so far. This has been my second year of just doing the monthly spreads, and I've gotta say, I'm starting to enjoy drawing again. With that being said, I took on a difficult theme for the year, which is Flowers of the Month, inspired by Shada Campbell. I believe she did this last year or the year before. So I forgot the name of this flower, to be honest. Primrose? I don't remember, but it does say on screen if you could read it. But it's almost like a lavender, but it has a lot more little flowers on it. And it took quite a while to color in every single little flower petal thingies that are on these bushels of flower. Did you see what I did there? I quite regret doing this immediately. Like before I even started, even sketching it out, I was just like, do I really need to sketch out every single little flower that's on these flowers? Nah, I'll just outline the sort of triangular formation that these are going to be in, and I'll draw them in later. So if you look really closely at this, I'm literally just drawing stars as flowers, because stars and flowers, they both have 5 petals, right? For the standard. So, yeah! Oh, it just occurred to me. This is a cute way to incorporate the 4th of July colors, but also being flowers. Or I could have done that. I definitely just used purple and blue. I could have used red and blue. Oops. Oh well. And since they're like stars and flowers, someone's making the connection. Yes. Moving on to the second spread. Same thing, except I'm just putting the flowers on the side of the spread instead of right smack in the middle, so I can have room for the actual calendar itself. I'm really losing my voice. It's going away. Oh no. So yeah, just making sure I spread out the purple and the blue, because I did want to make this spread blue, because I did want to diversify the different colors I was using on my Instagram. Everything is about the gram. Everything is about keeping the gram's feed cohesive. I work probably too hard on that, but at the end of it, when I scroll through my page, it looks so nice and put together. I love it. So yeah, just going in with all my color pencils. I have them all lined up in a row, and I'm just going through the row over and over again. Some colors definitely stand out more than others, and then I think 2 or 3 of my blue color pencils looked exactly the same when I used them to color, so that kind of sucked. But I tried my best to make the colors all look nice. Oh no, I've gone blurry. Oh boy. One more time? Yep. This will just be a continued theme throughout the entire video, I suppose. I didn't notice it while I was filming. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But yeah, if you do recreate the spread, please feel free to tag me on Instagram so I could see it. And at least someone else would have felt the pain and agony that I felt while doing this. Turned out looking really pretty though. Not gonna lie, turned out looking really pretty. I'm outlining every single little flower petal thingy with my 005 again. I made sure to make each of these flowers a lot bigger than I did in the cover page, just so it wouldn't take as long. Something I should have thought about before starting to record. But I didn't. You live and you learn. I'm filling in the large amount of white spaces in the middle with some extra flowers but with no color. Just so it could look a little bit more full. And then I believe I go in with my green Crayola color pencil and I draw in the leaves. Tell me this doesn't look like purple corn. It does to me. It does to me. Moving on to the actual calendar part itself, you can see for once that I actually did sketch in extra flowers on the other side of the calendar, something I was complaining about for the entire beginning half of the year. This time I finally did it, but I picked the worst flower to do it with. I did take a little break by filling in the word July with my 0.5 micron pen and adding extra strokes going down to create that illusion of calligraphy, something I still cannot do, but I strive to try. Hehe. And also at the same time, if I could fake it, why learn the real way? Way too lazy. That's how my lazy brain works. Finished coloring in all the petals, and now I'm outlining them with my 0.05. You can tell I did this a lot faster, leaving a lot more space in between each petal. And just making the outline bigger than the actual color itself. Little tricks I learned on the way. I am also filling in the top right hand corner of the calendar with purple so I can make the spread a little bit more colorful. And then I'm filling in the numbers with my 0.05 micron pen. And finally, I usually leave this for the beginning, but I just wanted to tackle those flowers immediately. But I'm just outlining the entire calendar with my 0.05 so you can see each individual square. Pushing through to the last page, I'm writing the word notes at the bottom right corner and then mood tracker on the top left side of the spread. And then for the actual mood tracker itself, I am just outlining beautiful little flowers to be filled in later. It was such a relief to do it this way for the mood tracker, considering how long I spent on the cover page and on the calendar page. So this was great to not have to color it and outline it at the moment. But that's pretty much it for the Plan With Me video this week. Thanks for sticking with me. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like. Subscribe and tell your friends that I post a new Plowme video every single month of the year, and if they'd like to see the weekly spreads as well as close-ups of the monthly spreads, to feel free to check out my Instagram at planlikethat, same way it's spelled here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!